Now look at that. Bunch of little TNT bombs.
Hey guys, look at this.
That's the last thing Redneck says. Hey dudes, watch this. Boom! Okay, Spencer's gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna light it. Boom. Bam.
I'm nervous. Come on, little fella.
I'm gonna back up very slowly so I don't get killed.
I was like, oh, that's gonna blow up in my face. Jump. I'm nervous. Come on, big fella.